Hello friends, welcome to another interesting Photoshop tutorial. So first I'm going to select this image by using auto selection tool. So just click on selection, select subject and wait a little bit. This one is selected perfectly. Just zoom this one by press Ctrl plus. Okay. Then select this areas. Select first this one, then select these areas. So everything is almost. After selection, press Ctrl C, Ctrl V. Unlock the layer, Ctrl minus, then again select this one by using quick selection tool. So this one is selected, and next click on this layer and go to selection tool and click on modify, then expand 6 pixel. Okay, then go to edit, fill, content aware, then press OK. Okay, select, deselect, then you get the complete background. Increase the size of your background by using crop tool. Okay, then select rectangle marquee tool, select this blank areas, then go to edit, fill and content aware, then select, deselect. Next I'm going to add this stone, so do the same process, select and deselect. Okay, this one is selected. Place this one in this portion, create clipping mask. Okay, release this one. Go to edit, transform, select warp tool and warp this layer like this. Okay, so this one is selected, and take mask layer, go to brush and remove this unwanted areas. Make opacity 100% and remove this unwanted areas. Visible this 100%. Okay, so this one is done, and I'm going to adjust the color of this one. So I just take curves layer, okay, select this one, go to brush, make opacity this time 20% and apply this one like this. Now I'm going to select this old man image and select a mask layer, go to brush tool and select this time this smoke brush or dust brush. So decrease the size of your brush and apply this, make 100% opacity, then apply this. Okay, so this one is also done. apply on that area. And take this stone area, select the stone and apply little bit like this areas, this area and this area. Now again I'm going to select these stones, so go to select and select subject. Sorry, this is not work properly, so I'm going to select by one by one. So first one I select this one, place this one like this, select, deselect and select another stone, select, deselect, then select again another stone. After selection, just adjust this one, adjust all stones, select all this one, march, then adjust the color of this stones and also increase the saturation little bit. Okay, march the complete layers, duplicate this one and again do the same process like this. Cut this stone like this, so it's provide you amazing stone covered look. So this one is almost done, and now I'm going to add some extra special effects. So I'm going to select a layer, place this one behind the old man and then select brush and select smoke brush. I think this one is perfect, so adjust the brush by using bracket key and select this one and select this raw stone and apply. Okay, then also do this same thing, take a brush, decrease the size of brush, then go to again select brush, and this time I'm going to select reverse brush and adjust this layer like this. And place, select a rock image and select this one. Okay, so this one gives you amazing dispersion look. Select this both layer, merge this one and make this one a little bit darker. Sorry, so this one is almost done, and go to adjustment or select the camera raw, just convert this one to a smart object, go to filter, select camera raw, and now I'm going to adjust all these images. So first I increase the saturation and go to detail and select the sharpness, and you can get amazing result. Then press OK. So the work is done. I hope you like this tutorial. If you like this tutorial, please subscribe my channel. Okay, see you soon with new tutorial. Goodbye.